talking about the skill sets that are needed to succeed in advanced manufacturing, and then how it's changed and how women are uniquely equipped to be good in this industry.
And I look around the room and I see so many of our manufacturing companies here, and just what a huge pain and strain that they're in because they don't have the skilled workforce they need. Our population is declining, and so we're really saying, what are those target groups? Women can again step up and make a difference in these manufacturing companies.
Manufacturing was a long career, but it wasn't something that I thought I was going to go into. In reality, I don't think I ever thought I would be an engineer or be in manufacturing. I just sort of knew I liked processes.
It's easy to get people to rally behind you if you're that cheerleader and you're that mother and you're the person who wants people to stay safe. They want to make you proud, and I think that's one of the things about women is that we have that way about us that people want to make us proud, right? They want to do the right thing, and they want us to tell them that they did.
It matters that you find the right career in the right industry, but part of being a successful woman in manufacturing means you help make other women successful.
I feel like the younger generation is where we need to start. Just understanding what manufacturing is and how important it is, and women, recruiting more women into the programs and studies.
When we walk people through our facility and they see that it's all women sitting at tables, talking to each other, doing work on stations, doing work on machines, I never considered that this could be manufacturing. And so the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing, a lot of different groups have been trying to make videos, trying to do things to get kids to see these things. But if you can talk to young people in your lives about what manufacturing is and why they should consider it, I think that's the best way we're going to break through.